So, dear students, in this lecture, you are going to learn or will understand the syllabus of English paper 6 for semester 5. The title of this paper or course is Grammar and the Art of Writing 1. The course code of this paper or course is UAENG 503A, and this paper carries 3 credits for each semester. First, we shall try to understand the objectives of this course. First objective is to develop amongst the learners an insight into the process of word formation and transformation, to develop amongst them an insight into the sounds, stress patterns, and intonations in the English language to improve their speaking skills, to develop among them an insight into the structure of the English language and to provide knowledge about the rules of grammar, to help them learn grammatical analysis and description and the skills of sentence transformation, to introduce the mechanics of writing for effective writing for various domains. So these are the course objectives. And after learning this course, what will be the outcome of this course? So after learning or after the completion of this course, students are expected to be able to gain a basic understanding of phonetics, morphology, and word transformation. They will have improved speaking skills. They will have developed adequate knowledge of the rules and rules of grammar, grammatical analysis, and sentence transformation, and they will be able to write effectively in various domains. So this is the outcome of this course, and now we'll understand the content of the syllabus. Unit number 1 is phonetics and morphology. In phonetics, you will learn phoneme and its distinctive features, English vowels and consonants. Vowels means swar and consonants means vyanjan in Marathi. So you will learn sounds as vowels and consonants, as well as the difference between British pronunciation, BRP means British pronunciation, and Indian English pronunciation. Then diphthongs, consonant clusters, and transcription using phonetic script. In morphology, you will learn morph, allomorph, and vowel mutation, free and bound morphemes, root and stem, inflection and derivation, morphological analysis. So this is the content of this unit number 1. In unit number 2, you will that is grammar and words and phrases. You will learn word classes, 4 open word classes, nouns, adjectives, verbs and adverbs, and 7 closed word classes, pronouns, determiners, operator verbs, prepositions, conjunctions, enumerators, and interjections. There are 6 phrases: noun phrase, genitive phrase, prepositional phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, and verb phrase. In unit number 3, art of writing, you will learn discourse analysis, that is tenor, mode, domain and language change, that is language of journalism, advertising, and literature, scientific and technical writing. The second subtopic will be mechanics of writing. Here you will learn understanding paragraph divisions and topic sentences of paragraphs. And in the third subtopic, you will learn writing for print media, a news report. See, these first two subtopics, that is discourse analysis and mechanics of writing, will be used for project writing, 20 marks project work. And the third subtopic, that is writing for print media or newspaper or news report writing, will be asked for 20 marks in the question paper, semester end examination. We will try to understand the evaluation pattern of this paper. There will be semester end examination of 80 marks for 200 and half hours. There will be 4 questions of 20 marks each. First question will be based on phrase analysis for 20 marks. Here you will be asked phrases or the sentences based on 5 phrases except verb phrase. In the second question, you will be asked verb phrases or the questions based on verb phrase for 6 marks. And B will be for morphological analysis for 14 marks. Question number 3 will be divided into 10 plus 10. There will be A will be for stress marking and intonation, and B will be for transcription. So this third question will be based on phonetics for 20 marks. Question number 4 will be writing a news report on the basis of the facts given, and it will carry 20 marks. So I think you have understood clearly about the objectives, outcomes, content and evaluation pattern of paper number 6, grammar and the art of writing. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. And we stop here and begin the first unit in the next lecture.